this story is about my grandma, who we all called Oma.
If you love food, give me a sweet!
The harvest that I'm rewarded with is when my students come to class and express their growing knowledge of food.
And I noticed it'd be more and more birds that used to come out in the mornings for the bread, like they'd be waiting for us outside.
The room filled with the aroma of love, mixed with the scent of some sweet potato pie.
You will see, you will see, you will see.
I didn't know an earthworm from a roly-poly.
I love myself. I love myself.
This shouldn't count as my time. I've had love and laughter around the table, and that it is something that allowed me to feel rich even when I didn't have money in my pocket.
Now that's what I call soul food.